Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps and signing into the account tied to your edits. Once signed in, navigate to your contributions on mobile or use the Edit the Map tools on desktop. This gives you access to places, roads, and business details. Make sure you have the exact name, address, category, and any supporting photos or hours handy so edits are accurate. Starting here speeds approval and avoids rollbacks because Google prefers clearly documented, verifiable changes. You'll now select the place or stretch of road you want to change and choose Edit or Suggest an Edit. Follow the prompts to modify name, address, hours, category, or the map pin location, and upload supporting photos or a website that verifies the change. Be concise in the explanation field. Say why the edit is necessary and include sources when possible. This clear context helps reviewers validate your change faster and reduces the chance of rejection. You should submit the edit and watch for a confirmation notice. Approval can take from a few hours to several weeks depending on complexity. Once submitted, monitor contributions edits to see status updates and respond quickly if Google asks for clarification. If your edit is rejected, gather stronger evidence like dated photos or official pages, correct any mistakes, and resubmit. Alternatively, escalate via the local guides forum for community support. Keep records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.